cut my ribbons to be 32 inches long, and you can see that I have started to layer them here in a weave. To weave this, what we have here are 4 ribbons that are overlocking each other, and if I flip this over, you can see it's doing the same thing on this side. So it is capturing, so like the green is capturing the yellow, and then it's going in between the pink, okay? And then the pink is capturing the green and going in between the blue. And the blue is capturing the pink and going in between the yellow. And so when we pull them all taut, we have our little checkerboard start, okay? And this is how you make a lanyard. Okay, so we have the 4 working together. And what we're going to do now, instead of just working across, we're going to work at an angle. So we're going to take these at an angle to each other. Right? And then the same with the green and the blue. We're going to go take the green to the other side of the blue. Okay, and then take the blue at an angle here and under pink. Okay, and so we're going to pull. All right, and so we're going to do it again. I'm going to take the pink to this side of the yellow to this side of the pink, the green to the far side of the blue, and then the blue is going to go over the yellow and under pink. And you're going to pull everything tight. Okay. Again, blue, crossing over, crossing over. This one's going to go over, under the blue, and to the far side of the pink. And the pink is going to go over the blue and under the green. And so we're just going to keep this going here until we get to the end of our ribbons. And you can see that it's starting to take shape as a spiral. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going and I'll be back the further along I get. So I have done my weaving and you can see that it's starting to spin on me, which is what you want. And the other thing that is happening is I'm starting to run out of ribbon. So I'm going to take my shorter piece here. I'm going to gather everything together at the bottom here. All right. And then I am going to wrap that shortest ribbon around the bottom as tight as I can. All right, to kind of finish off this piece. So it's going to look something like this. All right. And then I'm just going to pull on this a little bit. You can see how it extends. All right. I want to make sure everything looks good down here. I push that ribbon up just a little bit tighter and snug. All right. And then I'm going to use some glue to hold that in place. All right. So my next steps are to thread my keychain through the top here and trim off the ends, and then I also want to burn the ends or put some thread, oh gosh, what's this stuff called? Fray check on the bottom. So I'm just going to cut these at an angle. Oh, that was a bad cut. And I have them all at different lengths, and I'm okay with that. Alright, and then I am just going to bring my lighter in and finish off those ends. So let me show you what I've done here. You've seen me burn the ends, wrap the ribbon around here, and then I've taken my keychain and I've gone diagonally across two colors. Okay, so I slid it under and through. And then you can just hold on to your tail end here, hold on to your keychain, and give it a good stretch. And just kind of adjust it how you want, right? And then there you have your keychain.